We should monitor our vehicle tire pressure regularly. That is necessary for our safety and the fuel efficiency of the vehicle. But we never take some time to check the tire pressure every day before we start our vehicle. In this case, we can utilize the technology called TPMS or Tire Pressure Monitoring System. You can only find this TPMS on an expensive or premium vehicle. But you don't have to worry now. Today's video, we are going to talk about an affordable TPMS. You don't need any technical skills to install this system, and anyone can do this within 10 minutes. So how much does it cost? From 61 UAE dirhams, you can buy it from Amazon.ae. I will include the purchasing link on our description box. Now let's see what are the details they provided on the box. Surprisingly, we couldn't find any branding on it. It might be because of the product is coming from China. Anyway, when we look at the details, we should see that it has a solar and USB charging facility. Because of that, we don't have to mess up with our vehicle electrical circuit. This device has inbuilt battery and it will automatically charge through the solar panel. The device can simultaneously monitor the temperature of each tire and the pressure. We can also see that the device has a digital color monitor and an integrated anti-high temperature. Okay, now we can just open the box and see what we have on it. When we open the box, first we got this user manual. Do not trash the paper because all the given instructions are needed for the installation process. Then we got some items on the plastic cover. When we open it, we can see a tiny micro USB cable to charge the device. They also provided some tools to secure the sensors on the wheel. After that, we can see a double-side tape for the device to be mounted on the dashboard. 4 golden colors nuts to secure the sensor. This is the device that we were looking for, the tire pressure monitoring system. As I said earlier, the device will recharge the battery through the solar panel. After that, we can see 3 different switches that will be used for the power, menu and the navigation. At the front, we can see a small digital color display. We can see a USB charging port on the right side of the device, and if we need, we can charge it through the given USB cable. Now we can see the 4 different sensors, and each sensor has label for its positions. Since it's a wireless device, all the sensors have a separate battery to send the signal to the device. You can remove and change the battery when you need it by using the tool they provided. The sensors are powered through the CR1632H button type batteries. Okay, now let's install the device on our vehicle. As per the instruction on the user manual, I have installed all sensors on the wheels. After that, I installed the TPMS on the dashboard using double-side tape. Once you turn on the power, you will be able to see the live pressure and the temperature of the tire in front of your monitor. That's it friends, anyone can install this device very easily. Now you can monitor your tire pressure all the time. You don't have to switch off the device after you finish your drive because it will automatically turn off when your vehicle is not moving for a certain time. For the same, when you are opening your car door, the device will trigger by the motion sensor and it will turn automatically. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button, and next to that you will also see a bell icon. If you press that, you will get all the notification of my future videos. I'll be back with the other video. Till then, this is Sajid signing off. Bye bye.